Welcome to my presentation. I am Vinay Kumar C. The subject Financial Accounting 1, first BCom, first semester, as per the Bangalore University. Dear students, we are discussed the few problems towards professional accounting, and last week also, and in today's class also, we are going to do one more problem towards professional accounting. See, in this problem, so what are the information they are given? So they are given the trial balance. Earlier, those problems we are seeing the receipts and payments account is given, and then we prepare the balance sheet, and then we prepare the receipts and payments account. But here they are given the trial balance. Based on that trial balance, we need to prepare a receipts and expenditure account. See, from the following trial balance of Mr. Salve, a solicitor as on 31st March 2019. Prepare the receipts and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as on that date, right? So you should have the two amount column, one particulars columm. Under the particulars column, amount owing for bills of cost delivered. So this is one of the expenditure, 4,800. Then salaries 18,500, rent 7,500, drawings 17,000, office expenses 5,500. Then again continue, furniture 4,000, library books 4,000, opening work in progress 2,200, computers 11,000, capital 3,200, provision for unrealized profit is 62,800, profit cost 2,500. Then client disbursement 3,000 on credit, client deposit account dash. Then bank 9,000, bank under clients is 1,000. So 80,000 is the tally for both the column. So what about the additional information? Under the additional information, they told depreciate furniture and library books by 10%, included in the bill of cost sent to the clients, or small disbursements debited in the books to office expenses account. On 31st March 2019, items on the debit side of the client disbursements account amounting to rupees 2,800 had been charged in bill of cost. Next adjustment, out of the balance in disbursement, an amount of, so here you make a correction 200, it is a mistake under the printing, that is 200 rupees has been paid and the amount has been credited to client deposit account. Then again they are given work in progress on 31st March 2019 is 3,500, right? These are the some information they are given. As usual, take down the expenditures and receipts, and then there is some few adjustments towards these aspects. Take down that aspects. Here the working note number 1. So here they are given total client disbursement under the trial balance, that is 200, 2,800 as per the adjustment. Actual client disbursement, it is in trial balance, that is 200, 2,500. So remaining amount deduct from the office expenses. Okay, this 300 rupees should be deduct under the expenditure of office expenses. So this is only the one adjustment. Again take the solution. The title should be in the books of Mr. Salve, a solicitor. He is a professional. Heading receipts and expenditure account for the year ending 31st 3 2019, right? Then under the left hand side the expenditure and the right hand side should be receipts. Again come back to the expenditure column. The first item should be opening work in progress. So see, opening raw material, opening work in progress, opening closing stock, these are the items should be, if it is a opening, that should be taken on the left hand side, right? Then salary 18,500, there is no adjustment. Rent 7,500, no adjustment. Office expenses, so it is a, there is a one adjustment, that is 300 rupees should be deduct. Out of 5,500, deduct 3,000. It is a working note number 1, right? So in outer column should be 5,200. Hope you are understanding. Then to amount owing for bills of cost delivered, it is should be in trial balance, that is 4,800. Again in the trial balance on the credit side, closing work in progress, that is 3,500, deduct that amount, add that amount, and that amount should be a profit, unrealized profit, that should not be shown on the balance sheet. Okay, so that's why it is unrealized profit 8,300. Again this amount should be taken on the left hand side of the balance sheet. Okay, rest depreciation on furniture. So what about they are telling towards furniture, if it is 10%, it is 10%, if it is 5%, it is 5%. So they are telling 10%, right? Out of 4,000 into 10 by 100, 400 rupees is the furniture. Similarly for library books also 10 by 100, that means 4,000 into 10 by 100, 400 rupees is the depreciation. On the right hand side, provision for unrealized profit, if it is a provision, okay, so if they are telling it is a provision, that should be shown on the right hand side, 3,200. Again there is a cost towards profit, that is 62,800, that should be shown on the right hand side. Again closing work in progress, so see the on the left hand side opening work in progress is there. Similarly the closing work in progress also shown on the right hand side, 3,500. The total should be 69,500. Out of 69,500 we deduct the various expenditure, so 27,000 is the surplus. Then so this is the balance sheet. So under this balance sheet, the title should be balance sheet as at 31st March 2019. So on the right hand side you are familiar with furniture, right? So out of 4,000, deduct depreciation amount 400, and outer column should be 3,600. In library books also 3,600. Computers 4,000. Amount owing for bills, so that is in trial balance, that is 4,800. As usually closing work in progress also should be shown on the asset side, that is 3,500. Client disbursement amount is 2,800. Out of that, in adjustment there is a 200 rupees, you deduct that 200 rupees and we put 2,600 on the amount column. Then cash at bank, office clients is 9,000 and 1,000 respectively. Again you come back to the left hand side, capital is 11,000, so calculated surplus is 27,000. Add those things, comes to 38,000. Deduct drawing 17,000. Provision for unrealized profit, that is calculated and we taken on the left hand side of the receipts and expenditure account. That amount again is shown here, 8,300. Then client deposit account, that is the amount of 3,000, and also there is an adjustment, that is 200 rupees, so you deduct those 200 rupees here also. Twice you are taken, in the right hand side you are taken 200, left hand side also you are taken 200, that means it comes to 0. So 3,000 minus 200, 2,800 should be an amount column. Finally the balance sheet it tally with 32,100, both assets and liabilities respectively. Thank you for watching and practice this problem. This problem is completely differ from the old problems. Okay, once again we are going to do 1 or 2 problems in this chapter and we are move on to the next chapter, that is depreciation account, in upcoming classes. Thank you for watching.